Get ready to sink your teeth into this ultimate juicy chicken sandwich. It will have you craving for more.
Just yummy!
Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're making some juicy chicken sandwiches. Let's get cooking. The first ingredient you need is 2 pounds of ground chicken. You need 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. You also need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of mayo, and 1 egg. A small piece of red onion or regular onion, and fresh parsley, or you can use dried parsley. This is optional, but you can use a handful of spinach. Half a cup of bread crumbs, you can use seasoned or plain, and pepper. For cheese, I recommend using any white cheese of your choice. For this one, we're using jalapeno and habanero jack. And instead of using Mayo, I recommend using Chipotle Aioli. This is the brand that we love buying. And don't forget your avocado. For bread, we're using artisanal bakery buns, and this is how they look like. We're gonna start by chopping and prepping our veggies. So let's get cooking because I am starving. We're starting by chopping our spinach. Make sure your parsley is finely chopped so you don't get big chunks. Now that we have chopped all of our veggies, it's time to combine all of the ingredients. Starting with our ground chicken. Chicken bouillon, paprika, garlic powder, minced garlic, mayo, breadcrumbs, parsley, the onion, the spinach, and our egg. Let's not forget our pepper. Let's mix our ingredients really well. Use gloves and mix away. Okay, our mix is ready. We're ready to shape up our patties, and make sure you use a little bit of water to wet your hands so the mix doesn't stick to your hands. And I will be separating them with a little bit of pre-cut aluminum foil. Okay, so first wet your hands a little bit. Okay, the size of your patties depends on the size of your bun. Keep in mind, make sure you make them a little bit bigger than your bun, because when you cook them, this will shrink a little bit. Doesn't have to be completely round. It doesn't have to be perfect, as long as it looks like a patty, however you want. And then we'll place it over here. We'll put one aluminum foil to separate them. Okay, we're gonna repeat the process as we did before, wetting our hands and shaping out the patties. And as we're doing that, just a reminder, don't forget to subscribe, please share, give it a thumbs up, and keep on watching. It's so satisfying making patties. It's like playing with Play-Doh. I recommend putting the patties in the freezer for at least 30 minutes to an hour. That helps with them holding their shape whenever you're cooking them. Makes it a little bit easier. Our patties have been chilling like a villain in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Time to cook them. Make sure your heat is medium-low. We want to make sure they don't burn and they cook all the way. Because this is chicken, you want to make sure it cooks all the way. So starting with some spray on oil on your grill. go. First one. Second one in. Okay. To make sure that they cook faster, I suggest you cover them. Okay, time to flip them. Nice, look at those marks. Right now is the time to put the cheese. So it can melt completely before we start toasting our buns. Our cheese is melted, now it's time to take them out, and we're grilling our buns right here in the same pan. Making sure we get those grill marks on the bun too. Time to remove our bun. Look at those grill marks. We're ready to put our sandwich together. We're starting with, of course, our Chipotle Aioli. Our patty. And for toppings, we are adding butter lettuce, pickled onions that we made from scratch. And let's not forget our avocado. To finish off, we're adding a little bit more Chipotle Aioli. And done. Time for my favorite part, trying it out. That is yummy. Delicious. This one's stronger. See, I'm ready for the novelas.